Hey, happy Labor Day. So I did a summer shrimp boil. I was entertaining and had some family over and just wanted to sort of bring a little bit of the Northeast to the West Coast. So I start with a large pot of water, as you can see here, about 2.5 quarts of water in there and several lemons. And so I have about, I want to say 8 lemons cut in half. And I'm adding to the water. I actually added 3 7-ounce Coronas, and so it doesn't matter what type of beer you use. The beer, the alcohol will burn off, and it's just the flavor that's going to be left to flavor the dish. I actually add 4 bouillon cubes because I just believe in bouillon cubes in terms of adding additional flavor, and so I have a quarter cup of garlic, and so that means I have several whole pieces of garlic. I also add almost half a cup of thyme. It's whole thyme. I didn't cut it up, and just sort of threw it in the water with the garlic and the lemons and the beer. A quarter cup of Old Bay seasoning. And so I let that come to a boil. And while that's coming to a boil, I had cut up my vegetables. So I have here about 7 red potatoes quartered, 6 pieces of corn on the cob, as well as 2 packages of Hillshire Farms sausage. And so I'm going to start by adding my potatoes to the boil first because they take the longest to cook. And so I leave those in 10 minutes before I add my corn on the cob and my sausage. Next, I have been able to find frozen large deveined shrimp that have the shell on. So part of the fun of a shrimp boil is actually the peel and eat aspect of it, but I like the shrimp to be clean. So I've added those shrimp just when I think the sausage and the corn is done. So it's only in there for about maybe 2-3 minutes. And then I'm going to dip that out and serve it here. As you can see, it's a fun dinner party that I threw together, some shish kebabs. We had a wonderful time. And yes, it wasn't quite the Northeast shrimp boil, but it was certainly the California Southern Belle version.